Let's bring in Element Damble now as a technical analyst to bring us up to speed on what's played out and what to expect going forward. Good to have you, Element.
Oh, hey, Lottie. Thank you for having me as always. How are you?
I'm fine. It's been a while and great to see you again. But Element, I like to pick your brains on the technical side of things. So looking at how Q1, how it was for Bitcoin and Ethereum, big losses from the price starting off the year to March 31st. So what are the charts showing you so far about Q1?
Yeah, I think in terms of Q1, as you rightly said, it's been highly bearish. And I think coming into the year, if you were looking at the monthly chart, you could see volumes were relatively overbought. We had quite a bullish, I would say, start to 2025. Of course, coming on the back of President Trump being re-elected and that kind of like crypto boom. But since then, of course, with tariffs and so on and so forth, we did see the market start to trickle down. And of course, starting the year, we have seen similar glimpses. And what I would say in terms of where the markets are sitting now in the short term, again, kind of hovering around that 65, 66 K floor. It does look like some bounces on the upside could be coming. And if you look even longer term on the monthly time frame, it looks like the volumes are relatively oversold. So we haven't seen them at these levels since 2023 from a volume perspective.
So looking at what's happening on the charts at this point, is it safe to say it's oversold on most of the time frames at this point?
I would say, relatively speaking, so if you're looking at like the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, the weekly more so than the others. So the weekly is relatively oversold. It's currently hovering around 30, 32. So on the monthly time frame, that's the one I've been paying more attention to today, and we're seeing some conflicting information. So in terms of the actual volume, yes, it is hovering close to that 39 floor. But if you're looking at another indicator, for example, the moving averages, the 10-month and the 25-month, it looked like a potential downwards crossover could be on the cards. And of course, if you know what a downwards crossover is in technical analysis, that usually is the precursor to a further bear market.
Okay. All right. I guess at this point, we'll just wait and see. See how the second quarter plays out. Thank you so much, Element. Always great to have your perspective. Thank you.
Thank you.